Hi everyone, today we are going to be making green spaghetti. For this recipe, you will need 5 poblano peppers. For this recipe, you will need 2 garlic cloves, half an onion, cilantro, 3 tablespoons of butter, and 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. We will also need 1 cup of sour cream. I'm going to be using the Mexican kind. We will also need 1 cup of cream cheese. And we will also need 1 packet of spaghetti. I'm going to be using this kind. And 1 cup of milk. I'm going to be using the Mexican kind, but you can use any. Now we're going to start by roasting the poblano peppers. Once they are ready, they should look like this. Now we're going to put them in a bag and we're going to leave them for 10 minutes. This will help the skin come off easier. Now we're going to take off the skin and the seeds out. Now they're ready and we're going to go prepare the pasta. I've got a pot with about 12 cups of boiling water and we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Now we're going to add the pasta. And we're going to make sure that it gets cooked evenly. Add some salt and we're going to let it cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. Our pasta is ready, and now we're going to go strain it. We're going to leave this to cool while we go prepare our sauce. In the blender, we're going to add the poblano peppers, and we're going to also add 1 garlic clove and 1/4 of an onion. We're also going to add the milk. We will also add the cream cheese. And we're going to add the sour cream. And the chicken bouillon, cilantro. And we're going to blend. Now that the sauce is ready, we're going to take it to the stove. Here I've got a pan, and we're going to add some butter. We're going to make sure that it spreads all over the pan. Now we're going to put in the sauce. And we're gently gonna mix. Now that the sauce has been boiling, we're going to add in the pasta. And very gently mix and make sure that the pasta is covered. We're going to let it cook for about 5 minutes. Okay, our pasta is ready now. And that's how you make green Mexican pasta. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you guys next time.